Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Guys, now it's 3 a.m. and guys, it's Devil Hour. And guys, you must be wondering why we are shooting this in Devil Hour. Because today we are going to do a pizza board challenge. Like it's not a challenge, but it's a sort of experiment. We will be doing this using our digital pizza board because we don't have that original like board classical board, but we will be doing it using a digital platform to prove that whether this app is like it's fake or it's real. I don't know whether we will be able to prove that or not, but guys, we will try our level best. So let's start with this. Okay, so the game is loading. It has loaded. Okay, so start. Here are some instructions. Okay, darken the room. The room is already darkened. We have to place the finger on the planchette. Okay, ask the spirit your question loud and clear. The planchette will start moving. Be polite. Okay. If you answer anger the spirit, quickly move the planchette to goodbye. Okay, so I have read the instructions, so got it. Allow access. I will allow it. No thanks. Okay, so I will ask the question, are you there? Are you there? So guys, the planchette is moving. You can see guys, it's moving and I think it will go to no. Yeah guys, it went to no. No. Okay, it moved to yes guys. Guys, you can see it moved to yes. Are you a man? F E. Where is it going and why it is going so fast? FEMA L E. Guys, okay, so guys, next I will ask, do you know me? Do you know me? I don't know what question is it taking, but my question is, do you know me? Where is it? Guys, you can see it's moving so fast, guys. No. So thank God it does not know me. Do you want to talk with me? Guys, again you can see it's moving very fast. Why? Not my wife. Okay, so what is your age? What is your age? Are you angered by the fact that I called you? Are you angry on me? No. Thank God. Are you harmful? you see. Do you want me to continue? Do you want me to continue? Warning, say goodbye to finish the scene. Goodbye. Okay, so before we quit, can we read some horror stories related to this? Like, really, I don't know what happened this time because it said warning, say goodbye, and it was answering something very creepy. It was really answering something which was really very creepy, like stop when you can, and then it gave us squank sort of. Okay, so first is, has this board ever saying your name? Mine has, and I got super creeped out. All I wanted is to do talk to my sister, and a bad sprite cake through one's name was Mabel and the other one's name was Errol, and then do you believe they said I don't like you, and I clicked off. I don't know, it's creepy. This game gave me and my older sister like 10 heart attacks. The game is scary, and I am thinking that it is almost a real a couple of days ago. Well, it wasn't, it probably a month back in 2019. I downloaded the app and wanted to see what it was. I downloaded and scared, and I am scared of this game till this day. Never done loading again, and this game is too scary for me. Goodbye. Okay, so some are telling that this game is real, some are telling that this game is fake. I really don't know what happened, but when I tried this game, you all saw that it gave all the answers. So I don't know the next story. In said, where are you? And it said next to you, and then I did nothing. Then it had blurred on it for some reason, and then it counted from 9 to 1. Then my screen was black, and I ran cause I was scared. My god, what was that? Thank god nothing this happened with me. I thought there was a ghost. I was maybe or maybe not right, but it literally spelled my name. My game center wasn't linked, so I was horrified. Ick. You get a 5 rating, and I don't think it's fake. Yes, guys, I also don't think it's fake, but I'm really confused, guys. I'm really confused. So if you want, I can try again. Shall I? Okay, so just once. Are you here? I asked, are you here? I don't know why it's saying, are you sure? Do you want to talk with me? Again, yes, my god. Do you know me? Do you know me? Oh my god, it pointed to me. What is my name? What is my name?
Are you scared? I am you.
I don't, maybe it will say I don't know. Thank god. I don't. No, okay.
I'm coming closer.
Are you a male or a female? Are you a male or a female?
I will catch you. Time it goes. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Girl. Okay, so it's a girl, I mean. What is your age? What is your age?
Are you afraid of the dark?
Guys, I
Are
don't
you
know why it
scared?
is going so fast. Like, generally, it does not go so fast, but here it's going like super fast.
I am you.
12, oh my god, it's a child. Okay, so shall we bid goodbye? Shall I say goodbye to you? I don't. Oh my god, it's telling I don't think. Oh my god, it does not want to bid goodbye. I don't think is. I don't think so. Okay. Do you like talking with me? Do you like talking with me? In. Oh no. So. Oh my god. No, not. Not. REALLY. My god. First it said me not to leave and then it said not really. Okay, so bye for now. I really think I should stop the game now. It's getting very spooky. What it's saying again. You must. You must. You must stay. What? Why is it so? Why can't I leave? I don't think so. Okay, guys, I really don't know what happened, but I think it's high time. तो गाइज आप लोगों ने देखा कि हमने तो वो शूट किया, बट इसके बाद क्या क्या हुआ, एंड आई रियली डोंट नो गाइज कि इट्स फेक और रियल. रादर आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट ऑन दिस, क्योंकि गाइज बहुत कुछ है जिसका एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं मिलता है. सो आई रियली डोंट वांट टू कमेंट ऑन दिस रिगार्ड. या क्विजा इज completely real, I think, according to me, but I don't know whether this app is fake or real, and I will not be commenting on this fact. But guys, आप लोगों ने देखा कि इस experiment में क्या क्या हुआ. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do comment down. Take care guys, bye.